Today I'm going to show you how to use the record for audio or video with your assignments, quizzes, tests, discussions. You can even use it to respond back to your students when they turn in an assignment. The first thing you need to do is we're going to go ahead and add an assignment. So you go to Add Materials and add an assignment. So I'll name it here, which is, I'll just say Test Assignment. Now I can put my directions in here. So I can say for the first part, write an essay. I can put anything in there. Now I can also come down here when I'm creating an assignment. I can put links in, I can put all things, but one of the things I can do is this audio video recording. If I click on that, I'm going to get a box that says what do you want to do, video audio or just audio. So you can do both. I'm going to do just the audio right now. When I go to this, it's going to, you may be asked to allow for the Flash player to do this, and that's fine. Go ahead and say close. So it's recording now, and I could go back and I could read my directions. Now the key to that is you probably want to write them down someplace so you know what you wrote, because it's not there. But I know that I wrote for this assignment, please write an essay. And then I can say pause, or I can stop it actually, and then attach. And now my audio recording is attached. So if a kid reads this, they could also hit the audio recording and hear exactly what the directions say. You can do this anytime you have an audio recording. I'm going to hit cancel here. So for instance, if I'm going to do an update, I also have that option here for updating in audio video recording. I have the same option if I go into create a test question. I have that option as well. If I am going to be grading, for instance, I can go into when I grade, I can also do that. So let me go back here. I'll pick somebody, hopefully they won't mind. I'll blank out the name anyhow, so it doesn't matter. So we'll go down here to Chester. There we go. There we go. Alright, so when I get here, I can also do an audio video recording of this. So I could audio record my thoughts about the essay as well, or whatever they've written and turned in. So it works the same way. You hit the record button and it records it, and what it'll do is it will add it over here as a comment between the student and I. So those are some ways that you can use the audio recording feature.